Students, today we are going to see chapter 5 geometry. In that, exercise 5.3 is your practical geometry. We are going to construct of perpendicular bisector of a line segment. These are perpendicular lines. In both the cases, the perpendicular line L divides both the line segment into two equal parts. This line is called perpendicular bisector of the line segment. So, a perpendicular line which divides a line segment into two equal parts is a perpendicular bisector of the given line segment. Now we are going to learn how to construct a perpendicular bisector to the given line segment in exercise 5.3. Chapter 5 Geometry. In a practical geometry, we are going to do construction of perpendicular bisector of a line segment. So exercise 5.3, question number 1. So please take your geometry note. Right hand side of your geometry note, you have to construct your line segment perpendicular bisector with a rough figure. And left hand side of the geometry note, you have to write the construction. So, in question number 1, draw a line segment of given length and construct a perpendicular bisector to each line segment using scale and compass. You have to use only pencil to write the question in your geometry note. So, step 1, draw a rough figure by using your scale. And name it as A, B, up, down, you have to cut R. This is a rough figure of your given sum. This point is known as point of intersection. You can name it as O, and the intersection, this one is a C and D. So angle AOC or BOC should be 90 degree. Okay, student, let's do the sum. You have to draw a line segment given in the first question subdivision as 8 centimeter. So step 1, draw a line segment 8 centimeter. You have to start from 0 to 8 and name it as A, B, 8 centimeter. By using a ruler, step 1, you have to draw the line segment. Step 2, by using a compass with A as a center, more than half of the length of the AB. More than half of the length of the AB. Here students, approximately 6 centimeter. Okay. More than half of the length of AB. Draw two arcs of the same length, one arc above the AB and another arc below the AB. Clear student? First step, draw a line segment AB 8 centimeter by using a compass with the A as center. The radius is more than half of the length. The given radius is 8 centimeter. Approximately I am taking 6 to 7 centimeter and cutting an arc, two arcs. One is above the AB and next one is below the AB. Now with the same radius and B as center. With the same radius and B as center, Draw two arcs to cut the arc in step 2. Same like above and below. So now you can name these two arcs as C and D. Now join C and D. Okay. Now CD intersect AB. This is your perpendicular bisector of the first sum. Here this point is known as point of intersection and you can name it as O. Now angle AOC is here, it should be 90 degree, or angle BOC should be 90 degree. Now you can check whether this perpendicular bisector is right or wrong. By using the scale, you measure the line segment. It should be equal on the both the side. Totally the line segment is 8 cm and A to O is 4 cm and B to O is 4 cm. Now you have to write the construction on the left hand side of your geometry note. Construction. Step 1. Draw a line segment AB equal to 8 cm. Step 2. Using compass with A as center and radius more than half of the length of the AB, drawn two arcs of the same length, one above AB and one below AB. Step 3. With the same radius and B as center, draw two arcs to cut the arcs drawn in step 2. Mark the point of intersection of the arcs as C and D. Next, step 4, join C and D. Now CD intersect AB. Mark the point of the intersection as O. Now, how to measure this? AO should be equal to OB. That is, the given radius you have to divide by 2. So, that half of the 8 is 4 cm. And angle AOC equal to 90 degree. Is it clear, students? Your first sum. Let's move to the next sum. Subdivision B you can try as your homework sum. Homework sum also you can do in the same geometry note, students. Let's move to subdivision C, 5.6. So left hand side of your geometry note, first step you should draw the rough figure. Here the given radius is 5.6 cm. So first step you should draw the line segment 5.6 cm and then we have to draw the perpendicular bisector. Okay. Now step 1. The given radius is 5.6 cm. So from 0 to 5.6. So in between 5 and 6. So here it is 5.6. Join that. Name it as A, B, 5.6 cm. Now by using your compass, what I told, A as a center, more than half of the length of AB, draw two arcs of the same length. So here 5.6 means till here. This is your measurement. Okay. So draw two arcs with the same length, one above A and B, one below A and B, and B as center with the same radius. Cut the arc A and one above the AB and below the AB, and we have to name it this point as C and D. Step 3. See, step 1 is draw a line segment AB 5.6 cm, and step 2 we have to cut an arc more than half of the radius of AB, one above the AB and below the AB, And next, step 3, with the same radius with B as a center, to cut the arcs drawn in step 2. So mark the point of intersection of the arcs as C and D. Now join C, D. Join CD. Now this point is known as O. This point is known as O. Now this is your subdivision C 5.6 in exercise 5.3. Understand, students? Now mark the 90-degree. Check. Okay. AO should be equal to OB equal to 5.6 divided by 2. 5.6 divided by 2. 2 2s are 4. 1. Get down the 6 point. So 8s are 16. 0. So it should be 2.8 centimeter. If I measure this 5.6 was 2, it should be 2.8 centimeter on both the side. Understand, students? And subdivision D 10.4 centimeter. Try as a homework sum. Let's move to subdivision E. There they given as 58 millimeter. First step, we have to convert this as a centimeter. So 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. So we are going to convert smaller unit to bigger unit. So we have to divide by 10. So 58 by divided by 10. So 5.8 centimeter. And you have to draw the rough figure. So AB is 5.8 centimeter and the arc is C and D. Okay, let's move to sums. What is the step 1, students? We have to draw the line segment for 5.8 centimeter. So centimeter starts with 0 to 5.8. In between 5 and 6, it will come as 5.8 centimeter. Draw a line segment AB 5.8 centimeter. Then by using a compass, more than half of the radius of A and B. Yes, with A as a center, above and below of AB, cut an arc, and with B as center, with the same radius, cut the arcs drawn in step 2. Now join, you name it as C and D. Now join C and D. So point of intersection is O and 90-degree. Okay, let's check whether it is a perpendicular bisector or not. Yes, AO should be equal to OB equal to 5.8 divided by 2. So 5.8 divided by 2, 2 2s are 4. Get down this 1. Sorry, 5 minus 4, 1. Point, get down this 8. 2 9s are 18, 0. So 2.9 centimeter. If I measure AO, it should be 2.9 centimeter. And if I measure BO, it also should be 2.9 centimeter. Then only it is a perpendicular bisector. What we drawn for the line segment is correct. Now complete the construction for subdivision C and E. In the left hand side of your geometry note, same like subdivision A, you would have to change the radius for C and E as 5.6 for C and 5.8 centimeter for subdivision E. Try to complete the homework sums also in the same geometry note and submit the note to the school. Thank you, students.